In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note in HubSpot. First, start by signing into HubSpot. Head to the HubSpot website and enter your credentials. This includes your email address and password associated with your account. As you input your information, ensure it is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you successfully log in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. This is where all your tools and resources are accessible. Logging in is crucial as it gives you the necessary permissions to manage your notes and records effectively. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the CRM section. You can find this option in the main menu at the top of the page. Clicking on CRM opens a world of customer relationship management tools. This area allows you to manage contacts, deals, and more. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it is the backbone of your HubSpot experience. It connects your notes to the relevant records. After clicking on CRM, you will see various options displayed on your screen. Next, you'll need to open the record where the note was added. You will have several options to choose from: contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Depending on where the note is located, select the appropriate option. For instance, if the note pertains to a contact, click on Contacts. This action ensures you are looking at the right information associated with your note. Once you select the correct category, you will see a list of records. Choose the specific record to continue. After selecting the record, find the note in the activity timeline. The activity timeline is where all interactions related to that record are displayed. Scroll through the timeline to locate the note you want to delete. This step is important because it helps ensure that you are deleting the correct note and not affecting any other information. Once you identify the note, it will be clearly visible in the timeline for you to proceed. Next, click the Actions dropdown or the three dots that are located next to the note. This drop-down menu provides additional options for managing your note. It's important to note that this menu is where you will find the delete option. By clicking on the three dots, you open up a variety of actions that can be taken on the note. This simple step provides you with the control you need over your notes. From there, select Delete from the drop-down menu. Upon clicking delete, a prompt may appear, asking you to confirm your action. This step is vital because it prevents accidental deletions. Confirming your choice ensures that you really want to remove the note from the record. After you select delete, you will see the confirmation prompt appear on your screen, reminding you of the action you are about to take. Finally, confirm the deletion. This is done by clicking the appropriate option in the confirmation prompt. Once confirmed, the note will be permanently removed from the record. This step is important because it finalizes the deletion process, ensuring that your record remains clean and organized. You will see a message indicating that the note has been successfully deleted, giving you peace of mind that your changes have been saved. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete a note in HubSpot. This process helps keep your records tidy and relevant, making your CRM usage more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.